Today, you will learn how to create stunning backgrounds just like these, which can be used for anything from posters to websites to even wallpapers on your devices. It's also very easy to screw up, so make sure to pay attention. Okay, for the first thing, let's create the canvas. Come to File and New. Now I'm going to use the custom size of 1920 by 1080 pixels, and I'm going to change the name of the canvas to background. You can leave the settings here as they are and click create. Now let's create a background color. Come to your new adjustment layer and click solid color. I'm going to use a kind of dark bluish color. This color looks okay. Let's create another solid color. And for this one, I'm going to use a light blue color. Now select the mask and click Ctrl I to invert the mask. Now with your brush tool selected, make sure you come up here and squish the brush to give you this oval shape, and make sure you have a soft brush selected. And then after this, with your brush here, you can use the square bracket, the right square bracket to increase your brush and the left square bracket to decrease your brush. So I'm going to increase the brush. And then you can use the arrow key, the right arrow key, to tilt your brush a little bit. So I'm going to tilt it this way, and this looks okay to me. And then I'll start creating your shapes. You can dab it as you create along. Now create another solid color, and this one we are going to use a cyan, and click OK and invert that mask as well. Now with this one, I'm going to use it to create a bright center in our shapes. So you can see it makes the center look much more brighter, and this gives it another nice effect. Yes, now some people can leave their background like this because this looks very nice. It looks kind of like some comets dropping from space, if you've seen that before. But we are going to take it a step further. So hold shift and click all your color layers and merge them by clicking Ctrl plus E. Now right click and convert it to a smart object. Now come up to filter and down to liquify. Now make sure you have your forward warp tool selected, and make sure pin edges is also checked. Now with your forward warp tool, warp the shape this way, and then you can warp it this way as well. It all depends on what you want. So just warp it to your preferred shape. And when you are satisfied with your design, you can just click OK. Now let's create some blur points. So come up to filter and down to blur gallery and field blur. Now with the first point you are given, you can reduce it to 0 and create a different point, maybe somewhere here, and you can increase the blur. Then you can create another one maybe here, and then with this one not too much, just something like this. And when you are satisfied, you can just click OK. And there you have it. You have a nice background created in Photoshop. Now I'm going to create a different one as well to show you another example for you to try that style as well. Thanks for watching the video. If you made it to the end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe so you don't miss any tutorials from me in the future, and I'll see you in my next video.